Welcome to Cool Master. These are the specifications of 5-ton freestand AC. Tools and other materials required for installation. Connect the copper pipe, power wire and drainage hose with inner unit. After connecting copper pipe with outer unit, you need to open AC gas. Copper pipes connected with inner and outer units. Connecting 5-core electrical wires with outer unit. The 5-ton freestand AC consists of 2 units. The inner unit, which has to be installed inside the place which needs to be cooled, and the outer unit, which has to be installed outside the place, roof, balcony. The 5-ton freestand AC can be used as a temporary cooling AC or for emergency cooling. It is suitable for different places such as warehouse, tent, garage and residential temporary cooling. For any query, please visit www.coolmasteruae.com.